Hey guys, myself is Abhi and welcome to my new channel Net, Tech and Gadgets. Let's go. Nowadays, our Bluetooth is familiar to everybody. Everybody now use Bluetooth. Today I'm going to unbox a device which is can be used rather it can be used for converting a wired headphone to a wireless headphone. It can be used for a music system to connect wirelessly, and even it can be used while driving a car. So let us see what the device is. So I'm going to start the unboxing. Let's go. This is the product which I'm going to unbox. It's a Bluetooth receiver and it comes from Veedee. The model is J19 and it's equipped with the latest version of Bluetooth, that is Bluetooth 5. It also has an effective range of 10 meters and it has an acoustic effect enhancing, so you can hear the music very nicely, and noise elementing technology is there, so when you are making a call or something like that, then you will be not getting the back sound, or you can say background sound also. It's eliminate the background sounds, and it's hands-free even. Let's see the back. So which I have already said, it is a Bluetooth 5 technology and it can connect two smart devices simultaneously. So you can use this device to receive two signals from two mobiles simultaneously. It has a auto connect facility. It has a range of 33 feet, which is officially, but gradually decrease if there is an obstacle in front of it. And then it is compatible with iOS and Android device as well. It's a hands-free phone call during driving, so you can answer hands-free phone calls while you are driving a car. And this device also turn your old stereos or home stereos or your wired headphone to a wireless one. So let us unbox and see. And this is from China. It is made in China. It's a China product. So let's see what is inside. So I am unboxing it, and these are the product is here. This is a user manual, and you can see what are the things are there, what to do, how to do, what are the things. So I am keeping this aside, and now here is the product. These are the product is given with this particular thing. Let's open it out. Yes, and there is a 3.5 mm jack also. These are the product which is given here. This and this. So this is the product which I am unboxing, or which I can say this is the Veedee Bluetooth receiver. It's look nice, isn't it? Black colored, and the tiny product, slim product is it is. And these are the markings of certified marking of Chinese product. and this is the volume switch to increase or decrease the volume. This is the microphone is here, so while you are talking to a phone calls, this is the microphone which can be used, and this is the switch to when a call comes, you can click this switch and you can attend the call and even disconnect the call. While you are hearing music, you can play pause with this switch. Here is a aux point or aux jack, you can say, where you can connect this 3.5 mm jack, and this is the on off switch, and here is a what this is the charging port. This is a charging port, but this charging port is, I think it is a micro USB. It's not a C type. They should have given C type now, because nowadays C type is more familiar than micro USB. Okay. Anyway, so this is the product. I can show you. This is the product. It's a very nice product. So you can do one thing. And what other things are there? This is a jack which is given with this product to attach to your music system or car stereo or whatever it is, and you can make that particular product a Bluetooth enabled. And a charging cable. It's a micro USB to USB cable, and one 3.5 mm jack for attaching to any Bluetooth devices. That's all. So while this is the on off switch, let me make the product on. The light is blinking, and it is searching for a product where I can connect this particular product. This blue light is blinking, and while it is connected to any of the product, this blinking will stop and it will become a steady blue light. So I switched off the product. The thing is that this is the jack. It is here, so you can connect any headphone, any wired headphone or anything in this jack, and that headphone will become wireless. This particular receiver will receive the sound and it will send the sound to this aux out 3.5 mm jack. If you want to connect to your music system or car, you can do this. This is the thing you can connect, and you can connect to your music system or anything which has a 3.5 mm jack point, and that particular system will become a Bluetooth enabled device. So this is the product which I done the unboxing. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click the like button and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you very much.